Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be talking about pumping on the go. So as a full-time working mom who is an exclusive pumper, I figured I'd share with you guys what's in my pump bag. So let's get into it. So this type of bag that I use is a organizational tote from 31. I'll post the link below if you guys want one. They come in a bunch of different colors and patterns as well. It is 7 pockets, 3 on this side, 2 on the back here, and then the one in the middle. So in the side tote over here, I keep my extra backflow protectors because you never know what's going to happen. As well as extra valves and membranes. In the center pouch here, I keep a couple disposable nursing pads, my Boobies organic nipple butter, couple washable nursing pads, as well as my Mother Modest slip covers. The back pockets are very simple. I simply keep my extra flanges, one in each pocket, and let's open it up. Now right on the top of my pump bag, I keep my wet bag. This one is Smart Bottoms. You can get it at Kohl's. I'll link it below as well. And you can get them anywhere. I also have one that I got at Mark's, which is a discounted grocery store in our neighborhood, for $1, but it's just got a liner inside that you can put your parts in to keep them cool with an ice pack to last throughout the day in case you don't have access to a sink. The next thing that I have in here is my Boone Travel Wash Dry Station. On this side you have the Boone Grass, and then on this side you have the bottle brush as well as the nipple brush as well too. That way if you do have access to a sink you can wash your parts in between. And then actually back to the side of my pouch I also keep a small bottle of soap for the bottles as well. In this pouch I keep an extra set of tubing because you never know what's going to happen when you're there and you don't want a tube to get a hole in it or something when you're out and about and you don't have something to use. That would really suck, so I always keep extra tubing in a pouch. And then right now it's empty, but I also keep my cooler. Typically has the Medela ice pack in there, and this is where I keep all my bottles as well. And then next to it I keep my pump. Now as you can see I use the Spectra S2, and it is very hard to find a pump bag that is big enough for this without having to spend $100 on a pump bag. If you ask me, $100 on a pump bag is a little ridiculous. You can get this tote from 31 for under 20 bucks. And it all fits right back in and zips closed. So that's what's in my pump bag. If you like my video, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you guys next time.